Can I get a testing 1, 2, 3? Well, ladies, it looks like we have a problem. Somebody stole our tire, and we're going to find out who done it. We're out in the middle of nowhere. This tire blowed out, but this tire, somebody stole it. Let's figure it out. This is me jacking this trailer up. I had to use 2 jacks, and it took a long time. Sorry. Well, that took a lot, but we got it jacked up. Meow, 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 meow. Taking a break, Oil on my gun right here. Oiling. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Dose. Well, boys, I have a kind of a major problem. I left my tire bars and my tire hammer at the shop because I'm a dummy. It was a long day yesterday. So we're about to king grip plier this thing and just try to use my tiny bar, as he would say. Get it? Yeah. Try this with a bigger one. I don't need no big bars. I got my little bar. I can't believe I done that. That boy is good. Alrighty, number 2, that rim. We're just gonna dismount, throw that at the back of the truck. Oh yeah. Yeah. This sucks. Yeah. The boy's good. He ain't that good. I'm too fat. I got too many layers on. Jesus. Alright guys, you won't believe this. PB Blaster reposted my video because of you guys. Still ain't got no contract yet, so we're not gonna celebrate too much, but you're doing good work. Whatever. Anyways, oh yeah, the Viper. VIPER. Best cheetah tank on the market. 18 liter, all aluminum Viper. TSI, baby. Oh, wow. Well, I must say, I'm a dummy for leaving my tire bars and tire hammer because that sucked. There was a lot more heavy breathing than there was my usual moaning that y'all love so much. Remember, guys, I love you, and Jesus loves you. Bye.